Good morning and welcome to another edition of Speaking from the Heart with Dr. Afshine Emrani. Thank you for the support of these programs. This episode is about both meditation and how to naturally lower your blood pressure through meditation. Many of you have asked me how you can control your blood pressure with meditation. So I wanted to review a technique with you that has worked with me in the past when I meditate. What I'd like you to do is find a very comfortable place and just lay down and rest. You can either sit or lay down, either one is fine. I prefer laying down flat. What I like to do is to make sure that my body is totally comfortable on the ground and that the room is warm and that I am extremely comfortable. There is no noises outside. And what I normally do is I flatten my body out and I lay on my back and I close my eyes. And I imagine my body being made of a blue translucent liquid. And what I'd like you to do is imagine your favorite color. It may be purple or green, whatever is calming to you. And imagine your body being filled with this liquid. And your body, the outside of it is like glass. And the inside of it is filled with this liquid. Now imagine the tips of your fingers having little stoppers at the end of them. And as you're laying down and as your eyes are closed, what I'd like you to do, imagine that these stoppers come off and the liquid starts to ooze out gently. Starting from the top of your head, down to your forehead, down to your eye level and your nose and your mouth, and down to your shoulder. And this liquid pours out of your body and your tips of your fingers and the tips of your toes. What I'd like you to do is slowly tense that part of your body for maybe a few seconds and just feel it. And then let the liquid take that tension away from you. And slowly from the top of your body work all the way down. And this process should take you approximately some 5 to 10 minutes. When all the body parts are tensed and released and the liquid runs completely out of your body, what I'd like you to do is just stay there quietly and just think of all the reasons that you love yourself. There have to be reasons of why you are a good person, what you've done recently, and that should be the termination of the meditation for you. This process should take about 5 minutes, and if you do this properly and you really focus and you are comfortable and your body becomes loose, this has clearly been shown to reduce your blood pressure, and it has multiple other benefits, including lowering your heart rate, lowering your blood pressure, and generally making you have a better day, as well as release endorphins, which will affect your mood and make you happier. Again, thank you for the support of these programs. Should I be of any further assistance to you, go either to laheartspecialist.com or you can email me at dremrani@gmail.com. Thank you.